Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So here's part 2 of my unboxing for number 15. Amazon, massive unboxing. So in this video, we'll be doing all the boxes. Alright, so we have like 5, 6, 10, 15, about 15 boxes. Alright, so let's get started and knock these out fast. Alright. Make sure you watch my other videos because that's where I'll leave links to the Facebook ads so that you can get the same stuff that I do. I started doing my video number 13, so watch my 13, my 14s, and this one, number 15. Alright, so this one I have to check because a lot of people aren't really sure they're getting refunded on time on this. But this one is just a big old kind of like a beanbag. And what you do is you just throw all your kids' dolls, all their stuffed animal dolls into these. And it just makes like a big sitting bag. And it just makes it cleaner looking, right? Which is very useful for me because, you know, we want to clean up our kids' room. And they just have so much stuffed animal dolls everywhere. So you just shove them in, shove in blankets. Your older blankets that you don't use, the kid blankets. Same thing, ass padding. Ooh, look at this. You see that? Alright, so we have something cool, hopefully. Oh, let's see, what does this say? Oh, okay. So this I got a long time ago, and it's from a seller. And the item actually died out on me. I messaged him on Facebook, and he was kind enough to just ship me another one. No major questions at all. So these are just like a solar TPS system. I'll do an unboxing for them. But yeah, it looks like the exact same model. But just, yeah, so it just gives you a temperature readout of your tires. And that's it. Let's keep that simple, huh? Alright, so let's go. Keep it going, keep going. Because yeah, I have an older car and it doesn't have sensors. And you know, I'm a type that always gets low air or tires gets a nail stuck into it. It's so annoying, but yeah, at least this way I'll know. Alright, so this was from a seller. And it's just a nice handy clothes steamer. This one's like real simple. And you know, it just steams. You do most of their dress shirts and stuff. I guess I'll do an unboxing on that. And this is charcoal hydrogel eye mask. Not a Facebook ad. Okay. Yeah, I'm back to my scissors again. I left my knife in the car and I feel like bringing it in. I don't know why I don't leave the knife here because I have like 3 of them in the car. But most of them I leave in the back seat for my wife because, you know, she sits there with the kids. I just want to give them something, right? Since she don't want to carry a handgun. I figure a knife is better than nothing. And what is this? That does not give it away. Alright, so... Oh, okay. So these are just solar in-ground lights. It's a 4-pack. It's a Facebook seller. You can never get enough of those. They're not the... I don't know, they're considered tacky-ish now in these nicer neighborhoods. I think it might be considered a little tacky, but yeah, I use them anyways. I just try not to go overboard, but it lights up a little bit. It's better than nothing, so... Alright, so this is a Facebook ad, and I definitely posted this one because they actually wanted a lot of people to order these. And it's just a CPAP cleaner and sanitizer, right? How cool is that? Yeah, it was like 110 bucks, so that's a lot of, you know, cheap, fast points on your credit card. And they refund it really fast. I think they're refunding for this actually ship. But, you know, technically it ships within 1 day, so... but whatever, you got your money back, and it's a straight up legit deal with their email was actually from their company, from this company, Hypernova. And I guess it's just a new company. They're trying to get their name out there. So, you know, for people who use CPAPs, you know, look them up on the website. Hypernova. Because, you know, man, It's small, compact, and it cleans your CPAP. Seems like something everyone needs, right? Alright, so we got kitchen tongs. That was for my Facebook group. And this one, oh yes. So I recently been trying to make more coffee, Vietnamese coffee at home. And and the first system I used was actually a pour over system, and that didn't really work too well. So this one is more of a, man, look at that. French press has extremely sharp edges. Well, why don't you sand that down? Why would you leave something sharp like that for people to get their fingers cut on? Maybe, oh, okay. Well, let me open this for you, and hopefully I don't cut my fingers doing it. Okay, and you know what? I'll just do an unboxing video for this. This is gonna take too long. But yeah, it's just a cool coffee compression thing. French coffee press is what they call these. And that's what I got. And that was through a Facebook ad. Alright, so this was another, this through a group on Facebook, and some bed sheets. Man, that's cool. So this is a queen size bed sheet. You get the 2 fitted pillowcases, standard size, and then you get the fitted and the flat sheet. And this one I got in a nice cool gray color. That actually had a lot of options, blues and reds and stuff, but I stuck with gray. I figure, you know, it's very neutral, and I have a couple other gray ones, so if I mix match them, it's not a big deal. I don't really have to pay attention to them when I fold them. Wow, this one's heavy. What was this? Oh, okay, so these are the cabinet door handles. So this was through a Facebook group, and it took them a little while to refund it, but I knew, you know, it's a trusted group. It's just, you know, some sellers, they just kind of procrastinate or just too busy. But these are just 25 of them. It's a little bit modern. It's a typical 2-hole one. I think everyone pretty much knows those typical 2-hole cylinder looking door handles. It's a little too contemporary for my place, so I'm not really sure. I'll probably just sell it because I can't use it at that place or this place. I can't really use it. It's a little cool, a little modern, which I do like. I wish my house was modern enough to use those, but it's not. So I'm not going to even attempt it. Alright, so what we have here. Crystal Fusion bottle. Okay, so this was another Facebook ad. I'm pretty positive I linked this one too in my video 14. It's branded, I think it's something Phoenix. What's the brand? Oh wow, this is huge. Okay, wow. Well, I'm just gonna save that and let my wife open that, because that's a pretty cool unboxing. So this is a lot huger, a lot bigger than the other one I had. But it's basically a double glass bottle, just like the other one. But this one's huge. Wow. Wow, I'm blown. I bet you this is gonna look cool. I guess I'll have to do an unboxing of that, because that is cool. Oh man, I'm kind of excited to open that and see it. I'll have to do an unboxing video of that in a little bit, huh? Alright, what we have here. Alright, so this is through a website. I linked this in my video number 13, I believe. But this was from fullyrebate.com. I'll leave the link below, because I think I might get like a couple points off this for sharing my my link. But wow, look at that kitchen faucet. That is cool. Yeah, okay, well. And that was free. It was $75, and I recall that they refunded back already, because it was pretty fast. But yeah, fullyrebate.com, and there's another called rebatetee.com. I'll make sure I leave that into my description, because these websites are pretty good, and you know, and all the items are free, most of them. Sometimes certain ones they'll want a review or something. Oh man, I need to stack these boxes better. It's gonna be so hard to get out afterwards. Alright, so this is through a Facebook seller. It's just a 6-outlet surge protector with 2 USB ports. Because why not? You can always use these, right? But I remember these USB ports were pretty strong. At least 2.5? Yeah, 2.4 amps. So that should charge your phone pretty decent. Above decent, I would say. Better than those brick iPhones, little puck things. This one was a lunch. This is a lunch bag. I'll go ahead and open it, because it just looks cool. And in the picture I thought it looks more leather, but it's just brown material. And it's through the top opening. Let's see, I think, yeah. So you can use that to actually rip it open, which I don't know how long that'll last, opening each time like that. But there you go. That's a pretty cool bag, right? I think maybe for wine bottles or like Coke bottles. Because I mean, your lunches, you don't really hold it this direction, right? It's kind of a weird direction to hold it. But it was free. Can't complain. I wish they connected these zippers somehow, so you could just go zip. But yeah, it's a double zipper, and you have to unzip twice. Okay. Alright, let me move along here. We have about 5 more boxes, I think. How long is this video going so far, huh? 12 minutes? Okay. So this video's not too long. It's good for y'all, right? You just want to see stuff and not really hear me talk. Alright, got a couple items in here. Alright, so this was a Facebook ad. Oh yeah, I'm glad this came in. It's just a battery. Oh, is there a battery sticker? Oh yeah, there is a battery sticker. So it's just a power bank. This one's 25800. So that's actually really huge. I'll unbox this. I'll unbox it for the seller. Oh wow! So this is another Facebook ad, and this one comes in a nice hard case. Yeah, as you saw, I've been getting a lot of these watercolor things, and it all comes in phases, you know. Just a lot of sellers, they try to jump on the next trend thing, and I guess this is a trend thing, and well, now I'm getting it for free. Wow, that's a nice case. Man, yeah, that's very nice. Ooh, yo. Okay, this one I would have to do an unboxing video for because it is cool. It looks similar to what one I previously got, but this one has built-in Wi-Fi, and it should have Android built in. I can't wait to test this out, because if it has Android built in, man, I could load APKs onto the device itself. And you know, with loading my own personal APKs, you know, you could load like MovieBox, Media HD, Cyberflix, and basically what that means is you can watch, you know, all these movies, TV shows for free. And the part that it works, all built in, all into one, and you carry that projector around. Yeah, that's gonna be really awesome. So I'm excited to do an unboxing video of that. We got another bigger box on this side here. Alright, so this was a Facebook ad for unicorn slime. Kids love it. I've gotten similar sets like this before, and they just love it. They use it all up. this is just another Facebook ad, and this is just a big old storage organizer, wicker basket. I got something similar to this before, and because it's a really good size, I actually use it as a clothes hamper. So when I saw this, I'm like, yes, I have another clothes hamper. So that's, you know, you can use it for toys, but for me, I'm using it as a clothes hamper. Hopefully I left the link of the ad, because that's a cool item to get. Alright, we got like 2 more boxes. Bear with me here, I have to reach over. This one's another big one, but it's light. I can't get that water bottle on my head. I can't wait to unbox that one. You know, it's just a water bottle thing. I just think, you know, it's the coolest thing ever. You know, it's not ready for me. Alright, so this one, yes. Woo. Okay, so this is a chipper for all you golfers out there. But this one, as you saw, I got a similar one before, but this one's extra large. So this is a cool company, very trusted. They make quality products, and they just been shipping these out for free. So I've gotten the medium, the average size, just I guess regular size, and then I got the XL size. And you know, I got those soft baseball ones, and I got a green, putting green. That one's at home. It's just too big for me to bring here to unbox. But man, this is a cool company. And I wish y'all would jump on these ads, because this stuff does not last long, but man, I know a lot of people out there would use this stuff. I know a lot of golfers out there. Alright, so we have one more big box here. Let's have to shuffle stuff around here. I'm not sure what this is and why it's in such a bigger box, but let's find out. Alright, here. Ooh. Yes. Oh, okay, cool. So this is from my Facebook Messenger group, and it's just a sleeping bag. Man, how cool is that? So yeah, I'll probably maybe do a video for this for him, but it's just a sleeping bag, so I'm not really sure what kind of video that would be. But hey, why not, right? Okay, so that's it. That's all my boxes, I think. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was pretty massive, right? So what do you like the most? Was it the Wi-Fi projector, the unicorn slime, or the kitchen faucet? 'Cause that's pretty cool. It's really contemporary looking. Had the chipper, my water bottles, my French press. Wow, it just goes on, right? So anyways, just make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will try to get you more unboxing videos. And I hope you enjoy this, alright? So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment below on what you like the most, and stay tuned for my next video, alright? I'll leave it there.